Hello everyone and welcome to this session of programming with Java. In this session, we are going to see the general overview of structure of a Java code. So here is our general structure. Let's understand them one by one in detail. The first line of our program is class, which is highlighted here. Now at moment we don't have to worry much about what are classes, and it would be sufficient to say that every activity in Java happen within a class because Java is very object oriented in nature. Followed by the class keyword, we have the name of our class, which is main in this case. Now this name is the identifier by which we identify the class, so we will say that this is an identifier. Now every definition or activity of a class reside within open and close braces. So for example, right now this line public static void main lies within this open and close parenthesis, open and close curly braces basically. So we will say that this is a part of this main class. After the name of the class, we have public static void main followed by the some argument. So let's understand them. Now whenever we compile and run our code, then there would be some part of our code that will be always executed first, or the execution of our program will start from that part. That part is known as the main part of the program and is always defined in the main function. So every Java code has, or every Java program has some kind of main function, and within the main function our program initiation will begin and will contain the necessary equipment or the necessary tools of our program. Now if main is a function, then it would either return something or maybe not return something. So this is specified by this keyword void. For example, we can ask our program to do something but don't give anything in output. Similarly, we can ask specifically for a output, or we may want our function to return something. So if our function is not returning anything, we use void keyword. The third thing to notice is the static keyword. Now currently we don't know the concept of OOP, so it would be hard to define the true purpose of static, but from definition point of view, static simply refers to, since everything is defined within a class in Java and every class has an object, so using static as a keyword before main basically tells our compiler that we don't have to create an object to use this class in which our main function is defined, or in short, we don't have to create an object to start our program. The last keyword is the public. The public keyword is known as the access modifier. The access modifier basically tells the compiler that methods and member defined within this class and the main function can be accessed from outside of this class or not. If a private keyword is used, then the members and methods defined within class cannot be accessed from out of this class. But if public keyword is used, then the method and member defined in this class can be used from the outside of our class. So now if we have defined the general structure of our code, let's make our first program. So we will write system dot out dot println hello world. Now what is this line means? Let's understand this in detail. The first keyword here is the system. The system is basically a predefined class that comes with the Java, which represents the system upon which we are working. The out keyword basically refers to the out stream which is connected to our console. That is, the stream through which the output which we are getting on our screen is controlled is represented by the out keyword. The println is the method defined within this system class which is used to represent what we are going to see in our screen. And the hello world is the string or the text value which is actually going to be represented on the screen. Now since hello world is enclosed within the quotation mark, so we will say that this is a string format of data type, because anything which is enclosed within double quotation mark will be taken as a string in Java. So now if we will run this program, Then Python will give us hello world as an output. So that's all for the general structure of a Java code. In the next session, we will see the different concepts of Java. Thank you.